If you're stuck between TikTok burnout and 401k anxiety, welcome to Zillennial territory. If you're not 21 and you're not 40, but you're definitely wondering how you're going to get paid without selling your soul to hustle culture, I've got one word for you, and that's FeetFinder. I know what you're thinking. FeetFinder is a legit platform to sell feet pics safely, anonymously, and on your own terms online. Whether you want brunch money or full-on side income, it actually works. And just to be clear, this isn't a get-rich-quick kind of scheme. It takes consistency, decent lighting, and a little strategy. But if you're smart about it, it can actually pay off. Meet the in-between hustler. We're the first generation to get ghosted by job security and side-eyed by Gen Z. We want flexibility, safety, and control. FeetFinder fits into your life, not someone else's dream of hustle culture. Why FeetFinder works. FeetFinder lets you stay anonymous, set your own prices, and only post what you feel comfortable with. You don't have to show your face, you can block regions, and you get paid weekly through Stripe. Part-time users can average about $150 to $500 a month. Part-timers can average roughly about $3K a week, and top creators can average about $5K to $9K monthly. All these numbers are sourced and in the description. Real users, real stats. These aren't influencer stories, they're real people. 800 in 6 weeks, 300 a month casually, 90% payout rate, that's better than most platforms. Think teachers, creatives, tech workers, bartenders, all using it as a chill income with boundaries. $250 in 2 weeks, mostly tips and messages, pays out every Friday, no delays, easy to block regions, and blur identity. Getting started without the ick. To get started, you gotta sign up, verify ID, blur face or turn on anonymous, upload content, and connect Stripe. Sign up takes maybe 10 to 15 minutes, upload a few shots, set your price, and let the platform do the rest of the heavy lifting. Want to offer customs? Cool. Want more of a passive income? That works too. You are in control. Too old for TikTok trends, but too young to worry about Roth IRAs? FeetFinder might be the perfect middle line. Anonymous, safe, and actually profitable. Check if FeetFinder.com is right for you. All earning stats and source links are down in the description so you can fact check everything I've said. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you're in your Zillennial side hustle era. Subscribe for more chill ways to make money without selling your sanity, and have a good one.